One of the key phrases that people use all the time that must never, ever come out of a professional's mouth, and that would be, I don't know. Oh boy, does that set people off on the wrong track about you? I don't know. What do you mean? Shouldn't you know? The best way to express yourself in this particular case is that to say that instead of I don't know, I am not certain. I am not certain. That does imply that you do know. But more importantly, what you can follow up with, I'm not certain, but I will find out and I will get back to you. What does that mean to a person? Well, to the person who is listening to you, it means, hey, this guy knows something. They're going to find out exactly what it is. And they're taking charge and ownership of the situation, and they will get back to me. Forget about I don't know. I'm not certain is a much better way to go. But remember, you must take ownership. So therefore, you will find out and you will get back to them.